The life you've always dreamed of is closer than you think. The power to change your circumstances, to achieve your goals, to experience true joy and fulfillment is already within you. This may sound like a far-off fantasy, but it's a truth that has been understood by great minds throughout history. Your mind is a powerful tool, a creative force that shapes the world around you. Every thought, every feeling, every belief you hold is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. The experiences you have, the relationships you build, the successes you achieve, all stem from the inner landscape of your consciousness. For centuries, this knowledge has been shrouded in mystery, reserved for mystics and philosophers. But today we're bringing it into the light, making it accessible to everyone. We're going to reveal the secrets of manifestation, of turning dreams into reality. This isn't about positive thinking or wishful dreaming. It's about understanding the science behind how your thoughts and emotions shape your experiences. It's about learning practical techniques to harness your innate creative power. This video is your invitation to a journey of self-discovery, a journey that will empower you to create the life you truly desire. It's time to unleash your potential and step into the life you were meant to live. Get ready to discover the extraordinary power that lies within you. Let's talk about the concept of the end. It's not the finish line, the final breath, or a dramatic finale. Instead, think of it as your personal North Star, guiding you towards the life you truly desire. It's the vision of your ideal self, your perfect day, your ultimate achievement. In this context, the end represents the desired state or outcome you want to experience. It's the culmination of your hopes, dreams, and aspirations. It's the place where your heart sings and your soul feels at peace. The beauty of the end is its simplicity. It doesn't require complex strategies or elaborate plans. It simply asks you to define what you want and then focus your attention on it. The key is to shift your perspective. Instead of fixating on the challenges, the obstacles, the how, shift your focus to the destination. See yourself already there, living the life you crave. This is not about ignoring the present or bypassing the journey. It's about setting a clear intention and aligning your actions with your goals. It's about using your mind to propel yourself forward, to attract the experiences and opportunities that will lead you to your desired outcome. By accepting the end, you create a powerful magnetic force that pulls you towards your dreams. You become a beacon of positivity, attracting the people, resources, and circumstances that will support your journey. So, what is your end? What is the vision that ignites your passion and fuels your soul? Take some time to reflect on this question. Allow yourself to dream big, to envision the life that fills you with joy and purpose. Now that you have a clear picture of your end, let's look into the law of assumption. This is a universal principle that states, what you assume to be true becomes your reality. It's not about wishful thinking or blind optimism. It's about consciously choosing the thoughts and beliefs that align with your desired outcome. You see, your mind is a powerful creator. It has the ability to shape your experiences, your relationships, and your entire life. When you assume something to be true, you send a message to the universe. You begin to act, speak, and behave as if it's already yours. This is where the magic happens. By aligning your thoughts and feelings with your end, you create a vibration that attracts it into your life. You become a magnet for the experiences, opportunities, and people that resonate with your desires. It's important to understand that the law of assumption is not about denying the current reality. It's about choosing to focus on the reality you want to create. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, gratitude and unwavering belief. Remind yourself that your assumptions are not just idle thoughts. They are powerful forces that shape your perceptions, your actions, and ultimately, your destiny. So, choose your assumptions wisely. Choose to assume the best about yourself, about your life, and about your future. This is the key to unlocking your full potential and creating a life that is truly extraordinary. Now that you understand your end and the law of assumption, let's bring it to life. It's time to step into the reality you desire, to experience it fully and completely, even if it's just in your mind's eye. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, letting go of any tension or worry. Now allow your end to fill your awareness. See it, feel it, hear it, taste it, smell it. Engage all your senses to make this experience as vivid and real as possible. See yourself in your desired reality. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? What emotions are you feeling? Let yourself fully immerse in this experience. Let the joy, the excitement, the peace wash over you. Notice the details. What are you wearing? What does your surroundings look like? What sounds do you hear? What can you smell? Taste? The more specific and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. This is not just a daydream. This is a rehearsal for your future. You are programming your mind and emotions to align with your desires. You are sending a powerful signal to the universe that this is what you want to create. Spend as much time as you need on this visualization. Let it fill you with hope, inspiration, and unwavering belief. This is your personal sanctuary, a place where anything is possible. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the feeling of your end with you. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can supercharge your manifestation process. When you express gratitude, you raise your vibration, aligning yourself with the frequency of abundance and joy. Think of gratitude as a magnifying glass. It takes your desires and amplifies them, making them more attractive to the universe. When you are grateful for what you already have, you open yourself up to receive even more. But how can you cultivate gratitude in your daily life? It's simple. Start by noticing the small things. The warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of birds singing, the taste of your morning coffee. These are all blessings to be grateful for. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things that bring you joy. Keep a gratitude journal, write thank you notes, or simply express your gratitude out loud. Recall that gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a way of being. When you make gratitude a habit, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. You begin to see the good in everything and everyone around you. And as you continue to express gratitude, you will find that your life becomes filled with more and more things to be grateful for. You will experience a greater sense of joy, peace, and fulfillment. You will attract more abundance, more love, and more success. Love what you're seeing? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. As you continue on your journey toward your end, you may encounter a familiar adversary, impatience. It's natural to want your desires to manifest quickly, to see immediate results. However, the key to success lies in detaching from specific outcomes and timelines. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it, water it, and give it sunlight, but you can't force it to grow faster. You trust the natural process of growth and have faith that the seed will blossom in its own time. The same applies to your desires. Once you have set your intention and aligned your thoughts and feelings with your end, it's important to let go of the need to control how or when it will manifest. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, a plan that is far grander than anything you can imagine. Surrender to the flow of life knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. Release your attachment to specific outcomes and allow yourself to be surprised by the unexpected ways in which your desires may manifest. Remind yourself that the universe works in mysterious ways. What you may perceive as a delay or obstacle could actually be a redirection towards something even better. By detaching from outcomes, you open yourself up to infinite possibilities. On your path to creating your dream life, you may encounter another challenge, your inner critic. This voice of doubt and fear can whisper insidious thoughts, questioning your worthiness, your abilities, and your right to have what you desire. It's important to recognize that these limiting beliefs are not truths. They are simply thoughts, patterns of thinking that you have developed over time. And just like any habit, they can be changed. The first step is to become aware of your limiting beliefs. Pay attention to the negative self-talk that runs through your mind. What are the stories you tell yourself about why you can't have what you want? Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself if they are really true. Look for evidence to the contrary. Seek out examples of people who have overcome similar challenges and achieved their dreams. Replace your limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Repeat positive statements that affirm your worthiness, your abilities, and your right to have what you desire. Recall that your thoughts create your reality. By choosing to focus on empowering thoughts and beliefs, you pave the way for a more fulfilling and abundant life. Just as a sculptor chisels away at a block of marble, shaping it into a masterpiece, so too can you sculpt your reality through daily practice. The techniques we've explored are not one-time events, but rather tools to be used consistently, weaving them into the fabric of your life. Think of it as nurturing a garden. Each day, you water the seeds of your desires, tending to them with care and attention. You don't expect the flowers to bloom overnight, but you know that with consistent effort, they will eventually emerge in all their glory. Similarly, by dedicating time each day to connect with your end, to visualize your desired reality, and to express gratitude, you are cultivating the fertile ground for your dreams to take root and flourish. The power of daily practice lies in its ability to rewire your brain, to create new neural pathways that align with your goals. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to maintain a positive mindset, to focus on your end, and to trust the process. Start small. Dedicate a few minutes each morning or evening to your practice. You can create a ritual around it, lighting a candle, listening to calming music, or simply finding a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Consistency is key. Even on days when you don't feel like it, push yourself to do the work. Recall that it's the small, consistent actions that lead to big results. Over time, this practice will become second nature. You will find yourself naturally gravitating towards thoughts and actions that support your end. You will become a magnet for the experiences and opportunities that align with your desires. So make a commitment to yourself today. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. You are the architect of your reality. You have the power to shape your life, to create the experiences you desire, to achieve your wildest dreams. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Don't wait for permission or the perfect moment. The time to act is now. Step into the life you envision. Start living in the end today. Accept the power of your imagination, harness the law of assumption, and cultivate gratitude. Make these practices a part of your daily routine and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. Remind yourself that the universe is responding to your every thought, feeling, and belief. So choose to think thoughts of abundance, feel emotions of joy and gratitude, and believe in your limitless potential. The life you desire is waiting for you. All you have to do is claim it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps others discover this valuable information.